Today I'm going to show you how to blur this license plate. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit Control-Shift-Q to open up another video tab. And then we're going to Control-C to copy, and we're going to hit Control-V to paste. After we're done doing that, we're going to hit Event Pan Crop. Once we're on this page, we're going to enable mask. And then we're going to go around the license plate, like so. Then we're going to close it. After that, we're going to go to Video FX. We're going to scroll down. And we're going to hit Pixelate. We're going to drag the default to the top of the video tab. And then we'll get this page. On here, you want to drag this until you get your desired blur. That looks really good right there. And we're going to close this. And that is how you blur a license plate.
If you liked the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and also check the links below. Thank you for watching.